Think you know the Ford F-150? The best-selling truck in America has more secrets than you realize. From hidden engine problems to surprising design flaws, today we reveal 101 common issues every F-150 owner should know. Buckle up. This is going to be a wild ride. Issue number 1. The Ford F-150 is known to suffer from spark plug ejection in certain engine generations, which can cause sudden misfires and expensive repairs. Issue number 2. Some owners report transmission shudder or hard shifting, especially in the 10-speed automatic gearbox used in newer models. Issue number 3. Premature brake wear is a recurring issue, with many F-150 trucks requiring new brake pads and rotors much earlier than expected. Issue number 4. The rear window defroster wiring is prone to failure, leaving many drivers with foggy or frosted glass during winter. Issue number 5. Certain EcoBoost engines in the F-150 have been reported to suffer from condensation buildup in the intercooler, leading to rough running and stalling. Issue number 6. Rust issues, particularly around the wheel wells and rocker panels, are common in older F-150s exposed to harsh climates. Issue number 7. Electrical problems with the power windows and door locks are frequent complaints among F-150 owners. Issue number 8. The cam phaser rattle in Ford's 5.4L Triton V8 and later engines is a notorious issue that creates loud knocking sounds at startup. Issue number 9. Many F-150 trucks experience problems with the exhaust manifold studs breaking, which leads to loud ticking noises and costly repairs. Issue number 10. Some owners report problems with the infotainment system freezing or rebooting unexpectedly, affecting navigation and entertainment functions. Some F-150 models equipped with the 5.0L V8 are known to consume excessive amounts of engine oil, requiring frequent top-ups. Issue number 12. The aluminum body panels of newer F-150s are prone to costly repairs, as even minor dents are difficult to fix compared to steel. Issue number 13. Owners often complain about premature failure of the fuel pump driver module, causing sudden stalling. Issue number 14. Certain F-150s suffer from rear axle bolt failures, which can lead to dangerous vibrations or even axle separation. Issue number 15. Windshield leaks are a common issue, with rainwater seeping into the cabin and soaking carpets. Issue number 16. The F-150's seat heaters are known to fail unexpectedly, leaving drivers without heat during cold weather. Issue number 17. Some EcoBoost models experience timing chain stretch, which causes rattling and potential engine damage. Issue number 18. The mass airflow MAF sensor in certain F-150s can fail prematurely, leading to poor acceleration and rough idle. Issue number 19. Problems with the tailgate latching mechanism have been reported, sometimes causing the tailgate to drop suddenly. Issue number 20. The dashboard in older F-150s often cracks over time, especially under intense sunlight exposure. Issue number 21. Some owners report the fuel economy of the F-150 is far below EPA estimates, especially when towing. Issue number 22. The turbochargers on EcoBoost engines can fail prematurely, leading to costly repairs and loss of power. Issue number 23. Many F-150 trucks suffer from misaligned doors, causing whine noise and poor sealing. Issue number 24. The paint on some F-150s chips and peels easily, particularly on hoods and tailgates. Issue number 25. Problems with the steering column have been reported, including excessive play and knocking sounds. Issue number 26. The alternator in certain models is prone to early failure, leaving drivers stranded with a dead battery. Issue number 27. The AC system sometimes blows warm air due to faulty blend door actuators. Issue number 28. Owners of newer F-150s have complained about weak headlights with poor nighttime visibility. Issue number 29. Some trucks develop a vibration at highway speeds due to driveshaft imbalance. Issue number 30. The rearview camera in newer models sometimes fails, displaying a blank or distorted screen. Issue number 31. Certain F-150 models experience water leaks into the cab through the third brake light assembly. Issue number 32. The ignition coils are known to fail prematurely, causing misfires and reduced performance. Issue number 33. Some trucks have issues with premature wheel bearing failure, creating humming noises while driving. Issue number 34. The fuel injectors on EcoBoost engines can clog or fail, causing rough idle and poor fuel economy. Issue number 35. Owners report squeaky suspension components, especially bushings and ball joints, after only a few years of use. Issue number 36. Certain F-150s suffer from premature radiator leaks, leading to overheating problems. Issue number 37. Some drivers complain of constant rattles and squeaks inside the cabin, especially on rough roads. Issue number 38. The fuel gauge sometimes malfunctions, showing inaccurate readings or getting stuck. Issue number 39. The sunroof mechanism on some F-150s is prone to failure, either getting stuck open or refusing to close. Issue number 40. The trailer backup assist feature occasionally malfunctions, steering the trailer in the wrong direction. Issue number 41. Some F-150s have premature failure of the vacuum pump, leading to reduced braking power. Issue number 42. The differential in certain models develops whining noises, especially at highway speeds. Issue number 43. The door latches can freeze in cold weather, making it difficult to open or close doors. Issue number 44. Some owners report warped brake rotors, causing vibration when braking. Issue number 45. The throttle body on certain F-150s can fail, leading to sudden loss of power. Issue number 46. The heater core is prone to clogging, causing weak or no heat inside the cabin. Issue number 47. The F-150's body panels sometimes misalign after minor accidents, leaving uneven gaps. Issue number 48. Many owners complain about weak factory battery life, especially in cold climates. Issue number 49. Certain F-150 models experience leaking transmission fluid from the cooler lines. Issue number 50. The front suspension struts wear out early, leading to poor ride comfort. Issue number 51. The taillights on some F-150s are known to fail due to moisture buildup inside the housing. Issue number 52. Owners report frequent failures of the windshield wiper motor, leaving the truck unsafe in rain. Issue number 53. Certain models suffer from driveshaft clunk when shifting from park to drive. Issue number 54. The seat tracks sometimes loosen, causing the driver's seat to rock back and forth. Issue number 55. The steering rack on some F-150s develops leaks, leading to difficult steering. Issue number 56. The backup sensors often give false alerts, beeping even when nothing is behind the truck. Issue number 57. Some trucks have Vic blend doors that stick, causing one side of the cabin to blow hot air while the other blows cold. Issue number 58. The ABS system can malfunction, causing the ABS warning light to stay on even when brakes work normally. Issue number 59. Certain F-150s experience premature wheel alignment problems, leading to uneven tire wear. Issue number 60. The bed liner on some trucks warps or loosens, making it difficult to load cargo evenly. Issue number 61. Some F-150s experience weak door seals, allowing whine noise at highway speeds. Issue number 62. The power steering system on older models is prone to pump failure, making steering heavy. Issue number 63. Certain F-150s have faulty O2 sensors, causing check engine lights and poor fuel economy. Issue number 64. The truck bed sometimes develops dents and bends easily under heavy loads. Issue number 65. The interior plastic trim pieces often rattle or crack, especially in extreme heat. Issue number 66. The horn on some F-150 stops working due to wiring issues. Issue number 67. Owners report weak stock speakers that distort at higher volumes. Issue number 68. Some models experience slow or failing power mirrors, refusing to adjust properly. Issue number 69. The parking brake can stick, making it difficult to release after use. Issue number 70. The steering wheel leather tends to peel and wear quickly, especially in hot climates. Issue number 71. Some F-150s have faulty door sensors, causing the door ajar warning light to stay on. Issue number 72. The catalytic converter on certain models is prone to theft and costly replacement. Issue number 73. The remote start system sometimes fails, leaving owners unable to start the truck from a distance. Issue number 74. The truck bed lighting system can flicker or stop working altogether. Issue number 75. The glove box latch often breaks, leaving the compartment unable to close properly. Issue number 76. Some F-150s experience radiator fan failures, causing overheating in traffic. Issue number 77. Owners complain of weak paint protection, leading to easy scratches and swirl marks. Issue number 78. The power tailgate on newer models sometimes refuses to open or close electronically. Issue number 79. Some models have noisy fuel pumps that make a constant whining sound. Issue number 80. The cabin air filter clogs quickly, reducing airflow inside the truck. Issue number 81. Some F-150s experience faulty key fobs, making it hard to lock or unlock the truck remotely. Issue number 82. The rear suspension leaf springs are known to squeak or break under heavy use. Issue number 83. Certain models suffer from excessive cabin heat coming from the transmission tunnel. Issue number 84. The truck's bed sometimes develops loose bolts, causing rattling while driving. Issue number 85. The SYNC infotainment system often has Bluetooth connectivity problems. Issue number 86. Some owners report water leaking into the headlight assemblies, causing foggy lenses. Issue number 87. The tailgate step mechanism can jam, refusing to fold in or out smoothly. Issue number 88. The 4WD system sometimes fails to engage properly, leaving the truck stuck into WD. Issue number 89. Some F-150s develop cracks in the intake manifold, leading to vacuum leaks. Issue number 90. The hood latch can stick or fail, making it difficult to open the hood. Issue number 91. The cabin lights sometimes fail to turn off, draining the battery overnight. Issue number 92. Some F-150s suffer from faulty temperature sensors, giving false overheating warnings. Issue number 93. The exhaust system on certain models rusts quickly, leading to holes and loud noise. Issue number 94. The rear differential can develop leaks, leaving puddles of oil under the truck. Issue number 95. The seat belt retractors are weak, leaving belts loose instead of snapping back. Issue number 96. Some owners report frozen infotainment screens that refuse to respond to touch. Issue number 97. The truck's undercoating sometimes peels away, exposing metal to corrosion. Issue number 98. Certain F-150s experience premature failure of the water pump, leading to overheating. Issue number 99. The side steps on newer models can jam due to dirt or ice buildup. Issue number 100. Some models develop squeaky serpentine belts that create loud chirping noises. Issue number 101. The fuel door spring can weaken, causing the fuel door not to close properly. And there you have it to 101 common issues with the legendary Ford F-150. Which one surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the cars and trucks you love. See you in the next video.